Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol sa balitang ito kung saan ang sabi rito ay President Biden coming executive order could trigger XRP price chaos. Yan, ayon po kay Forbes. Ayan, yung paparating daw po na executive order mula kay President Biden ay ito raw po ang maaring mag-trigger or magdulot ng malakihang paggalaw ni XRP sa kanyang presyo. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, Forbes has reported that the US President Joe Biden may soon issue a groundbreaking executive order that could have far-reaching consequences for XRP and the broader crypto market. Ayan, mukhang malapit na daw pong maglabas ng isang groundbreaking na executive order si US President Joe Biden. At mukhang ito ay makakaapekto dito kay XRP at syempre sa lahat ng crypto market. Ayan, according to Forbes, the order could impact the market value of XRP, Bitcoin, and other digital assets. Ayan, notably, senior Forbes contributor Billy Bambro noted that the certain detail of the pending order was captured in a leak report. Yan, may pending order na mula sa presidente ng bansang US at mukhang ito ay magkakaroon ng malaking impact hindi lamang kay XRP at saka kay Bitcoin kundi sa lahat po ng mga cryptocurrencies, lahat ng mga digital assets. Kaya leak reveals Joe Biden could be about to issue a game-changing executive order that could spark Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto price chaos. Kaya yan, ano nga ba ang executive order na ito? Yan po talaga ang gusto nating malaman dito. Potential XRP price chaos. The crypto market clutter Forbes is projecting comes amid a recent surge in the price of XRP, Bitcoin, and the broader crypto market. Market participants have argued that the bullish wave was triggered by a heightened excitement surrounding BlackRock's spot exchange traded fund application. Ayan po, nitong mga nakalipas na araw ay nakaranas po tayo ng price surge or price rally sa lahat po ng mga cryptocurrencies, lalong-lalo na kay Bitcoin kung saan ay yan, binigyan po tayo ng magandang kita or profit gain kasi umangat po, nagsiakyatan po sila at dulot po yan dulot po yan ng excitement sa nalalapit na approval ng spot exchange traded fund ng BlackRock. Bambro underscored that the bullish development signals the growing interest from Wall Street and cryptocurrencies. However, according to the Forbes senior contributor, the US government could trigger a significant trend reversal. Ayan. Pero mukhang pagdating dito sa sinabi po ng Forbes senior contributor ay mukhang ang US government ay mukhang may inihahandang aksyon or hindi magandang aksyon para sa mga cryptocurrencies na magkakaroon ng yung epekto nito ay magkakaroon ng trend reversal or ibig sabihin ay babagsak. Ayan, babagsak lahat ng presyo ng mga cryptocurrencies. Kaya mukhang hindi maganda yung kanilang binabalak. The pending executive order. Notably, Bambro highlighted specific details of the pending executive order. He noted that reports suggest President Biden plans to unveil an extensive directive focused on artificial intelligence or AI. According to Forbes, such a move has set the cryptocurrency on edge. Bambro cited that the directive is expected to be unveiled in the coming weeks. He noted that the order aims to address AI's safe and trustworthy use. Ayan. Ngayon ay hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung executive order, pero mukhang ilalabas daw po ito dito sa paparating na mga susunod na linggo. Pero ayan, mukhang yung order na ito ay may kinalaman po ito sa artificial intelligence. Kung ito nga ba ay talagang mapagkakatiwalaan or hindi. Furthermore, Forbes highlighted that the order could introduce measures for evaluating AI models before deployment. The statement read, yan, ito yung statement. The order is expected to require AI models to be assessed before they can be used by federal workers and help ease barriers for highly skilled workers seeking to move to the US to work in the fields. Ayan, kailangan daw po yung executive order daw po na ito ay parang ito po ay may i-check po nila yung ayan, i-assess po nila lahat ng mga AI models. Yan, kung talaga nga bang makakatulong ito. While these aspects of the order are geared towards enhancing AI practices, Forbes mentioned that earlier leaks about directive raised concerns within the crypto community. According to Forbes, some crypto experts fear that the executive order could categorize computing energy as a national resource. The report noted that such a classification might mandate cloud computing firms like Google and Amazon to divulge information for the customers' purchase of computing resources for activities such as Bitcoin mining extends beyond a set limit. Head of Government Affairs at crypto-based investment firm Paradigm, Alexander Grib, reportedly expressed concerns about the pending directive. Grib likened it to Operation Choke Point but for computing power. The concerns regarding this looming development stem from the fact that Bitcoin miners might become limited in purchasing computing powers, thereby impacting their productivity. This could have a determined effect on the broader crypto market, extending to assets like XRP. Ayan. Mukhang yung executive order na ito ay ang matatamaan po rito ay yung mga minero. Yan, dahil ito po ay may kaugnayan sa kanilang computing powers, yung ginagamit po nilang energy. Ayan, para maging productivity or maging productive po sila. Kaya yan, kung pag si Bitcoin ang tinamaan rito, ay syempre matatamaan na rin yung halos lahat ng ibang mga cryptocurrencies. Kasi ganyan po talaga si Bitcoin, siya ang mother of all cryptocurrencies. Kung ano po yung kanyang sitwasyon, kung ano po yung kanyang nangyayari, kung ano po yung kanyang ipinapakitang price action, ay ganyan rin po yung nangyayari sa buong cryptocurrency. Kaya ayan, mukhang hindi po maganda. Pero hindi po tayo nakakasiguro kung ano ba talaga yung executive order na yan. Hindi po natin alam kung ano talaga ang wala tayong ideya kung paano maaapektuhan ang mga cryptocurrencies. Pero yan, hintayin na lamang natin at ilalabas din po kung ano ang executive order na yan. At dyan po tayo magkakaroon ng mas yung assessment natin ay ayan, magkakaroon tayo ng kaya ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.